Hey guys, it's Adam, John, and Kaylee again.
Hello.
Hey.
Same clothes.
Pizza cake, the beauty of modern technology.
That's it.
It's good to see you all again. Told you that we were going to be continuing to unveil this platform that John and Kaylee are going to tell us a little bit about. So I'm going to ask them to spend just a few minutes telling us about this. But first, before we do, I want to tell you, as a small business owner, as a marketing director for a real estate agent, I've been using this personally, this tool, I've been using this for 2 weeks now. And so my very, very first week, within about 7 or 8 minutes of getting on the platform, I had an online ad, I had a landing page, a custom landing page, and I was live.
Love
Yep.
And 7 days later, I had 1,300 views.
Amazing.
And lots and lots of traffic for one of our new listings that I was testing this on. And so these guys are going to get into explaining a little bit about that, but I want you to know, as a small business owner, that I'm super excited about this. And you have become accustomed to, in the real estate triangle, of me trying to bring you things that bring value to your small business. And I want you to know that I am telling you that for us, this has become really one of our most important tools. And the more I learn this, the more I grow into this platform, the more applicable it is to the small business. And so if you guys would just take maybe a couple minutes and tell us about it.
Yes, so thank you again for having us. So this is called the Royaltie platform. It is a digital marketing tool, and it has 5 major components. And the first is going to be ad pins. So you are able to easily create an ad by drag and drop system, and then open up a map anywhere in the world and pick a place or type in the address and hyper target male, female, age, keywords, and drop your pin, your ad pin, anywhere on the map, and choose the proximity anywhere from 1 kilometer to 500 kilometers or 300 miles where you want your ad to be distributed. And that ad is going to be distributed on several hundreds of thousands of websites and apps like Facebook, YouTube, and several hundred thousands of regular websites that people are scrolling through every single day. So that is the first component, is the ad pin. And the second?
The second element is landing pages, unlimited amounts of landing pages. Landing pages are like mini websites. So you can create a landing page for each listing, and you can use those to drive traffic where you want them to go. So basically, if someone comes into your ad, you've now attached a landing page to that ad. You could drive those people from A to B to C to Z, wherever you want them to go. You're capturing that information on the landing page. It's a fantastic way to drive sales to your business. And the third major component of this.
And the third major component is email autoresponder. So you can have a mini drip campaign within that platform as well, so that when you have your ad out there and then they opt into it, they're automatically going to begin being engaged with. And then the fourth
component of this is a contact management system. So whenever your leads come in from these views, these 1,300 views, when customers decide to opt into whatever it is that you're offering, your product, brand, business, or service, then those leads come into a contact management system on the platform. So you're able to email from that. You're able to actually, on the app on the phone, you can text, you can call. Just a great way to keep track of all of your leads that are coming in. Add notes. Really, really cool system.
Now we're on the 5th major component, which is social marketing. It's a new feature that they have, which is you can create customized social marketing content, and content is king. And we all know this is so tedious. We have so many different platforms to use, but now from one platform within the Royaltie platform, you can create these customizable content images, shoot it out with one button to all your platforms, and that image will actually be clickable to lead them to a landing page or wherever you want them to go from there. So that is key as well. And then lastly, the bonus, the company has, just like Uber and Lyft have done, and every other credit card out there, Amazon, what they've offered is an affiliate program. So as you begin to like and use this platform, you're going to want to share it with everyone. And when you do, they're going to sign up and they're going to become a customer for Royaltie as well. And you're going to get a commission residually on that. So that's just an extra bonus on top of the fact that it's just an incredible platform for marketing in general.
Yep.
So yeah, that's
Outstanding. So happy that you guys have waited all week to hear this exciting information.
Yes.
There'll be more coming. So you can see the link in the comments. You can go and actually see the packages that are available, find out what suits your small business the best for you.
And how much is it?
$87 a month.
$87 a month.
To be very honest, we were talking and we were sharing about this. At the dollar value that we're talking,
Yeah.
you almost can't afford not to try this.
That's right.
Exactly.
And I'm right. This is
Yeah.
a month to month. It's not
Month to month.
contractual.
That's right.
Yep.
I have been specifically speaking to realtors, but I think really the platform is limitless as far as the small businesses that could benefit from this. And really anyone who has a social media presence, who has a web presence at all, just owes it to themselves to give it a try.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. It's way too easy and simplified and affordable not to try it, like you said.
Yeah, and you're talking, like you said, realtors, plumbers, roofers. I mean, it's really
Yeah.
limitless who should be able to use this. I mean,
Right.
it's a fantastic tool to market yourself online. So
Yeah.
These guys are monitoring.
Yes.
Feel free to
Ask
reach
us
out,
questions,
ask
you guys.
questions. We want to help you learn. And so thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we'll see you very soon.
thanks, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.